Hey everyone, it's Hardy. Today we're going to be reviewing one of our favorite budget phones for 2023/2022 that we're about concluding. That's the iPhone XS Max. This phone was released in 2018 and you can still see how premium it looks, and the gold, the shiny little stainless steel frame, and also the small bezels. So like the main point of this review is like if it's still a good fit for 2023. Yeah, you can see how small the bezels are. I mean, it's got smaller bezels than even the iPhone 11. So let's talk about every single aspect. First, let's talk about the camera. The camera, it's a setup of uh okay, yeah, this has telephoto and it has the main wide camera. Yeah, so even this has something that's like the budgets, or let's say base model iPhone 12 and 13 don't even have. Yeah, because they don't have telephotos. This is like a pro feature telephoto. It just like some ultra wide camera. Yeah, but I feel I'm kind of someone that will actually pick telephoto over ultra wide if I could pick two to have. Yeah, so and look, this is how the camera looks on the back, and this is how it looks on the front. Yeah, doesn't look all, you can't really see how it actually is there, because like, well, this is how it looks on the front view from the back view. So yeah, I think if I should rate this over a 10 for cameras, because it lacks night mode, it lacks the 4K on the front camera. So let's say I'll give you like 6 out of 10. Yeah, because as far as non-night mode pictures are concerned, this phone does absolutely good. Yeah, really saturated, nothing like the iPhone X. So next, let's talk about software and support. This phone was released in 2018, so I feel it's got maximum of 2 years at most if Apple is going to support it again. So let's say it came out iOS 12, so like iOS 18, or yeah, probably 18, it should be phased out. I don't really think they'll phase out this and the X because they are really different phones. Forget the fact that they have similar designs, but trust me, they are really different. Yeah, like chip wise, camera wise, nanometer process wise, and all that. It even supports live text and some of these AR neural engine features. So trust me, they're different phones. So software support, I think you're still good to go for about 2 years or so. Yeah, so that's, if you're on a budget, you can still get one of these based on software support. Next thing we should talk about is battery. Yeah, so this rocks, I think, 3100 and something milliampere hour. The battery life on this is 94%. Yeah, it's still kind of standard. Just make sure when you're getting one of these, you get between like 90 and 100. Don't allow yourself go for 80 something, except maybe you plan to use it for like 2 months maximum. Yeah, so battery wise, I think it's still kind of good to go. I charged it this morning around, like, it was 100%, let's just say 4 hours ago. I've not really used it that much, yeah, but it's on my one bright 986. I don't think that's actually that bad. Yeah, so I think for battery it's kind of let's just say 7/10 or 6. That's like when you get it in good condition. I don't mean bad condition batteries. So okay, so now we're going to test the sound, the speakers. It's got stereo speaker setup, one fairing down here and one fairing up here. So let's hear this maximum volume. yeah, I'll let you be the judge of that. But in my opinion, this speaker is absolutely flagship. There is nothing budget about it. It's still loud and clear in 2023. Yeah, still highlight the bass and everything as you heard it. Yeah, maybe probably the 12 Pro Max and 13 Pro Max and 14 Pro Max just have a little teeny tiny bit, but as far as loudness and bass is concerned, this one hits it. So speakers rated over 10, I'll give it 7. Yeah, 7. Let's leave that 8 and 9 and 10 for the 12, 13 and 14 Pro Max respectively. Yeah. So now we're going to talk about the performance. Yeah, that's like why I know most of you actually watching this video, performance. So let's start with the chip. It uses the 812 Bionic 6-core CPU announced in 2018, 7nm process, which is like Intel's latest process for their 13th gen Alder Lake, and yeah, so that's still considered kind of acceptable. I won't say the best because Apple has 5nm and 4nm going on. Yeah, so this clocked at 2.49 gigahertz. That's still kind of manageable for performance cores and 1.6 gigahertz for the efficiency cores. And then the Geekbench is what I'm interested in here. Yeah, 11. Wow, okay, that's 1118 and 2912. That's still kind of acceptable. Let's use that word. Yeah, because it's still close to like Android phones, what they get. That's like their 8 Gen 1, 888 and 8 Plus Gen 1. They're not really that gappy from this. Yeah, although I know the 13 and 14 series are 4,000, 5,000 respectively. Yeah, so that's a lot difference, but still, you can get stuff done. Yeah, so for 3D Mark, that's like metal performance, Vulkan graphics, basically compute. That's why like runs compute benchmarks. Yeah, so it got around 31 frames per second with 68% stability. Yeah, that's acceptable. Yeah, that's what I can use. This can still game a bit. Yeah, you can game reasonably with this, especially for the screen radio state it has. So I guess if I should give this like a score out of 10 or so, probably I'll give it 6 over 10. Yeah, I think 6 over 10 is still a good score. It can still get stuff done. It just have a shorter time of getting tired. Like, let's say you would game for 5 hours on an iPhone 13 plus 13 Pro, sorry. Yeah, you might have to game maybe 3 hours on this, something like that. Then maybe 4 on the 12 series. So I think it's still quite standard enough for CPU and GPU. Yeah, so you can see iOS 16 running perfectly on it. This is 16.2. yeah, so I updated it yesterday night and it runs quite alright. This is the gold color. This is, yeah, you can see it looks pretty premium. You can't call this a budget design, no. It's premium, it has stainless steel, it has always and will always be premium. Yeah, so this was like a long-term design for Apple. So like, I don't really know what's in your mind, but if you plan on getting this device or you have more inquiries, you could hit me up in the comment section. Ask me more personal questions. There might be stuff I didn't actually cover on this phone, but feel free to ask me. My social links are also there. My Twitter and Instagram, they are always active. Text me there. I look forward to talking to you guys. Don't just like watch the video and then you don't really give feedback. Try like talking to me. Let me know like non-robots are watching the video. Yeah. This is a bonus part. Yeah, you know, like Apple has this mojo for animations. Yeah, I mean they're unbeatable. This is a 60 Hz refresh panel, but observe how smooth the animations are. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like for more videos like this. Yeah, and see you guys soon enough. I had an iPhone XS Max out.